Right chaps, welcome back. I thought this was a nice place to start the video actually. If you're wondering where I am, this is the infamous Goodwood motor circuit, where you can just come and look at the Spitfire here. Awesome. There was a fence here once upon a time, but I guess you can just walk up and look at it now. And what's crazy is behind that wooden barrier over there is a live airfield, and most of you who watch this video or are subscribed to me probably know what goes on all around here, i.e. the revival and all that jazz. It's a cool place to come, nice cafe too. But guys, thought I'd give you a little update on the bikes situation before I start bringing out another video. That's so sick, look at that. That is a cool photo. So yeah, I thought I'd tune in, 'cause it's been a while. Thought I'd give you a little bit of an update as to what's going on with my MT10, and do I still have this? Obviously yes, because I want it. And we're good. So yeah, I thought we'd go for a little ride. I'll give you an update, and if that interests you, stick around. I'll see you after the intro. Even with a standard can, it sounds good. So welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, to be honest. I've had a few, well, I haven't really been doing any videos lately because I've been so damn busy with just rubbish and, you know, this, that and the other, like we all are. But I have been in the background sort of looking into getting my bike fixed. For any of you who don't know what went on, my MT10 had an engine failure, and I went into detail in a few videos before this one, where essentially it spun a rod bearing. So the big end bearing needs to be replaced because it's sort of scorched itself onto the crankshaft, but it's not done any it's not done any terminal damage at the moment, as far as I'm aware. It's just gone and started to break up. So you can see in the oil there's some metal shavings from the bearing, so that needs to be addressed. Need a new bearing, potentially a new crankshaft. The situation with that MT10 at the moment is the quotes. I've got a few quotes to get it done. I've shopped around to see where's the best place to go and cheapest versus best, and I'd rather have the best rather than just skimp. The cheapest way of doing it is literally taking the engine out myself and doing everything on that engine and replacing the bearing myself, which I am not competent at doing. I probably could over time, but I've just got so much to do in life, so I just don't have the time to do it. So it's going to have to go to a shop and be dropped off and picked up, and I'll just have to pay and learn a valuable lesson, I think. So that's what's happening with the MT10. It's currently still poorly. I am keeping it nice and cozy, and yeah, it's just sat there feeling sorry for itself at the moment, but hopefully in the near future, very near future, the next month or two, I hope, you will see it. I'm going to book it in, or it's going to be booked in, at a place called Seaton Tuning. They're quite popular in the Yamaha industry, so a lot of you will know who they are, especially those of you who follow my channel and have MT10s. And I do really appreciate everyone who's reached out. I've had a lot of people reaching out, how's the MT10, what's going on? And I wasn't going to do this video, I was actually going to do a different video today, more about best first big bike, but I sort of changed my mind at the last minute and thought I'd just give a general update as to what's going on in life. But yeah, Christmas isn't an easy time. It's very damn busy, isn't it? And I unfortunately had the flu for the first week of it, so the Christmas dinner that I had, which my mum cooked, we went round my parents' house, and my mum always cooks a rather good roast. Yeah, I couldn't really taste it, so that really upset me, because I actually yearn for that roast turkey every year. So yeah, that was I got over that eventually, and pretty much had a week to chill out and get back to it. And yeah, the poor bikes, all my stuff. This bike, the battery died. I had to put it on a charger, and luckily the battery didn't get damaged or anything, but it's up and running again. When the S1000s run out of battery, they will run if you jump it, but it will run awfully because the electronic injectors don't have enough power. And then what will happen after that is the alternator, I'm assuming, is working harder than it needs to, so you're probably just going to do damage. So yeah, I had to charge this up, get it on the road and give it a clean. But it's back. This goes back actually in, I don't know, 3 weeks or so. So in 3 weeks time I'll be getting a new bike. I think I might just tell you what I'm getting rather than just doing a usual surprise, but I'll be picking up an S1000RR in mid-February. So I'm looking forward to that. It's going to be an interesting bike. So that's coming. I'll have to adjust how I ride and everything, because it's just a, you know, super sport bike, and it's a very popular bike. I see it everywhere. Like, everyone on Instagram loves an S1000RR, don't they? Or a Ducati. It's just like an Instagram bike, isn't it? Everyone loves an Instagram bike. Let's go through town. Chichester. I'll have to edit this bit so you're not waiting for traffic like me. Oh, thank you. Lots of people. Lots of people. That side of the road, mate. I don't know why I came through town, it just winds me up. Just people wind me up. People are so like clueless, and you know, NPCs I call them. If you're not familiar with gaming, that means non-playable character. So it's just a computer generated thing that doesn't know what it's doing. So yeah, this is going back. I'll have the S1000RR coming. I've got quite a cool package. It's I think it's a 2023 bike. I don't think it's a 24, but it's still a nice bike. Like over 20 grand's worth of bike to review and have a look at. That'll be cool. It's white. It's got an M package on it. It's got, I think it's got a passenger pack on it, which I don't intend on using at all. I'm not 100% sure on that, but let's put these grips up. My gloves are out of battery. But yeah, that'll be a cool bike, and it's a 210 horsepower monster, so I'll enjoy that. I should be riding that around for the next 5 or so months instead of this thing, and I'm looking forward to the change, to be honest, because I don't really, as you've seen in videos, I don't really like this bike. It's not for me, although it's a great bike, don't get me wrong, and I would recommend one. If someone said, what do you think of the S1000R, I would totally recommend it. It's just not it's not to my taste, just because the way it rides and stuff. It's just, I get on better with other bikes. But yeah, it's alright, it's not too bad. God knows what 210 horsepower superbike is going to be like. I rode the M1000R in a video. I have done a review of that if you want to have a look, and that was just insanity, honestly, absolute insanity. But yeah, that's where I'm at with the BMWs, and that leaves one single bike, and that is the TL1000R. I posted a video. My last video was a bit of a montage, a bit of a mix together of sort of like a few things that I've been doing to that bike. It's got a few things left to do. I've got a full fairing kit that arrived. I bought them from Fast Fairings. I will share another video when we put it on and finish it up. See, like NPC, look. Why are you rolling like this? I'm just gonna go past him. What am I doing? NPC. But yeah, I'll share the video of when we put that full fairing kit on, because it looks great. I was really impressed when I opened the box. It took a long time. I believe they are made in China as well. They are made in China, but honestly, I gave them the benefit of the doubt of it, and I just thought, let's have a look. And I'm really impressed. The biggest difference I saw was when I looked at the stickers, I noticed that the stickers are like spray painted in the paint, and on the TL, the standard fairings, the stickers are just laid on top on a painted surface. So what they've done is they've spray painted it, put the sticker on, and then lacquered over that, so the stickers will never get damaged. It's actually quite a good idea, and I don't know why manufacturers don't do that already. Maybe they do. Maybe I'm just not aware of it. Maybe on more modern bikes they do that. Oh, that is a pothole of the ages. I do like the backfires this bike makes. It's such a nice backfire noise. The new bike I've got, the Double R, has the performance pack on it, so it has the Acra can, which would be quite interesting. See if it makes any difference. I'm not expecting a can to make any difference at all, if I'm honest. They're just for looks nowadays, aren't they? You need the full performance exhaust to get the real power gains out of an exhaust. But yes guys, hopefully your Christmas was going well, and maybe some of you got some motorcycle related stuff. Let me know if you did. I got a Krieger R3, and I've wanted one for ages, and someone bought me one, and I'm wearing it now actually. It's quite a really cool little bag. I don't think it's big enough to really do like a fancy review on, but I do like Krieger stuff. One of my favourite brands, to be honest. It's such a good quality of brand. Well, such a good quality of brand, such a good quality. They have really good quality and oh god, I can't say the word. Innovative ideas with their stuff to make your life just easier. So yeah, I'm a big fan of Krieger and the R3. I think I have the R30 as well. I'm not sure what it is. R25, R30, and that's a really nice bag. It's quite big. I should have got a smaller one, but yes, I am waffling, aren't I? Oh, it's absolutely freezing. My gloves are freezing. I've got Kai's gloves on that are fully winter gloves, but they're heated, and they run out of battery. And I only realised when I went outside to get on the bike. But it's not too bad. But yeah, the salt. The day after the salt is laid on the road. The roads are like actual ice. I don't even know how that is. Oh, I don't know. The UK just goes into meltdown when it gets anything other than overcast, doesn't it? But yes guys, that's a little bit of an update as to what's going on with my 3 bikes at the moment. They are all sort of progressing. They're getting there. The TL is going to be sold soon. I'll be absolutely quite upset to sell that bike because it's such a cool bike. It's so cool. I really like a 90s fat superbike style thing. But yes, it has to go to fund other activities. And yeah, hopefully you guys are all staying safe, getting some time on the bikes in the dry. Oof, this thing absolutely flies. But yes guys, if you got any videos that you want to see on the S1000RR, or the R in fact, while I've still got it, even the TL, let me know. I'll do my best to get that out to you as soon as possible. Until the next time, I'll see you then. Ciao for now.